Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Fortnite and going straight to Creative or Party Hub. Choose the island that supports custom matches. You must enable custom match keys and confirm your account permissions. This lets you control access. Once done, pick a solo template and set basic parameters like player limit and storm pace because those define game flow. Make sure to save the island and invite a test account. That confirms your settings work before moving into advanced configuration. Now you refine the match rules to control how matches play out. Change timers, material caps, and build permissions to tune pacing. This matters because pacing affects player behavior. Then place spawn points and configure weapon sets and inventory presets so every player starts equally. Once those are set, generate your custom match key and decide visibility, public, friends only, or private, because that determines who can join. Finally, save changes and run a quick solo test to confirm everything behaves as you expect. To finish, launch the solo match using your custom key and monitor performance closely. Watch for lag, odd spawns, or unintended item drops. You should collect quick feedback from any testers, then iterate on timers or loot balance to reach the right feel. If something breaks, the most common fix is checking the matchmaking key, account permissions, and server region. Those often block joins. If issues persist, resave the island, relaunch Fortnite, and test again. That usually clears temporary sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.